So yes, outfit for today. So this is the same as I wore for the Code First Girls summer party, and that's what I'm wearing today for our fancy meal out at lunch and drinks after work. It's like kind of warm, so it's like 23 degrees the highest today. I've got like actually leggings on underneath just in case I get cold and I can take them off. Also gonna wear a cardigan on top because it isn't that hot this morning. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit where I'll be eating next.
It wasn't my favourite. I only went because my mum had find out today. Maybe the next week could be next. It's 100%.
It doesn't cost anything. I only did like all of this at once.
Just incredibly funny. Like it's very
Yes, there's something. Oh yeah, I just wanted to manspreading or something like that.
Yeah, it was like brilliant. They used to say that it took as long to get from New York to the city to like the bridge as it did to get across the bridge. Like it took so long. So like all this is terrible.
There's a campaign.
So I guess they.
It's very nice actually. The walls are.
Wow, it's so nicely decorated here. I know, I was like, everyone's headed off.
Really? Did you notice? Nobody, I thought. Quite cool. Just have it.
That one's my computer. Right. Yeah.
The wine lunches, I can do the glass and sometimes not in the glass. It's been a long day. I think I've drank since basically 12 o'clock, so kind of tired right now. Had 4 glasses of wine at our lunch event kind of thing, celebrating the launch in new markets. So, and then after work today had more drinks, a kind of social event for my product area, and then now finally heading home after a long day. Didn't head home now, my arm's tired, so see you tomorrow.
Yeah, or good job. Lots of toilet more likely. First time in Nando's, right? Yeah. How you finding it so far? Hang on, quick.
Yeah, she like a little car.
Hey, so I'm at the V&A right now. Got off work around 5:45. Then got to South Kensington around 6 o'clock, which I went straight to Tombow Cafe, had dinner, and then now it's 6:50. So I'm waiting till 9 p.m. till the Dior exhibition because there was no other tickets you could get before. It's basically sold out now. I was lucky to even get my tickets because the earlier times sold out before and then they released more. So I'm waiting till that time, but luckily today's a Friday late, so I can go around, see stuff before I go to the exhibition. Last time it was the other way around. I went to the exhibition before I went to Friday late stuff. Yeah, after next week I'll have a 2 weeks break, which I'll probably speak more about later and what I'm doing in those 2 weeks.
The partnership does not reflect a shared history and the problems with the Protestants. Forever by the UK comes a lifetime chance in order not to overwhelm.
What it meant to us to live in this environment.
So knowing everything that we know now and knowing that everything that we was talking about started to happen in terms of the redevelopment, pushing down the land grab, there's this powerlessness I feel. Our parents have come here for a better future and in many ways it seems like that has happened, but also seems like that hasn't.
Hi everyone, another late vlog like usual, hence why I'm wearing different clothes compared to the footage what you just saw. But jumping into the interesting part of the video, why everyone is here, we're gonna start off with the Friday late actually, which is what I said I'll explore around whilst I'm waiting for the Dior exhibition later. And it definitely proved to be great to explore. There was so much going on, so many interesting pop-ups around the museum, and the theme around this was called No Place Like Home. And actually here it shows you the layout of the place, and if I open it up, the different pop-ups in the area. So there was quite a few going on at different times, and like I said, the theme was around No Place Like Home, so it was really up to the artists there how they interpreted this topic and presented to everyone in the evening. There's LGBT community there exploring the stuff about their sexuality, their history through that, but also the cultural and social aspects of home. So one of the most interesting part of the exhibition, which I thought was, yes, did we leave the lights on? That was definitely one of my favorite pop-ups that was going on there, because it was exploring the topic on gentrification. So it was talking about people in South London and how these new homes being built seem to be pushing away the community that's currently there. And usually this means well off community, those who are trying to build their life best from themselves, starting from the ground up, are pushed out and replaced by big, let's say, businesses, all these different high-rise buildings in order to push them out. It was fascinating just to hear the voice of the community express their feelings in like an uncensored way on what they felt about the situation. So I think it should be available somewhere else, so we'll definitely, like, if it is, I'll link it in the description below. But besides that, the queer party was amazing fun. There was so much going on. There was embroidery classes, there was videos, there was a kind of makeup there, so much going on. And like there was also talks around from the Afro-Caribbean community, this AI speech talk by, you know, a Boris Johnson impersonator. So fascinating the whole evening was. And then obviously going on to the Dior exhibition part, which obviously was the highlight of the night and what I've been waiting for since July when I booked it. There was, you can imagine, the dresses were amazing. There's so much detail going into each piece, and I was just like, I would really love something like this, just to see the craftsmanship into these pieces and the history of Dior. It was fascinating. I was there on the last week, and then it closed, unfortunately. However, I'm going to put obviously a video compilation up of all the stuff I saw. And yeah, I think that's it, what I have to say today. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below what you'd like to see. As usual, I'm in London, so any London events, please recommend and put them down below. I'll love to explore more different kind of events in London like this video, so I know you like this type of content, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!